Today I'll showcase my tool Heist Curio Tracker. The way I'll do it is by launching the app, and as you can see we have visualization here. It takes a few seconds and then the main app menu opens. This is basically the actual app itself, where whenever we record our data, it will start appearing over here. So, for example, if we go over to area and we open a blueprint, it's gonna take some time when it opens, and then I'm gonna press, so if I go back to the app and we go to usage, these are the default hotkeys that are on the actual tool. These can be changed by going to file, file, keybinds, and rebinding them here. Yeah, if you want to tinker around with the settings, you can do it here as well. For example, the profile is the path of Excel profile. Then we have the data lake. This is the one where all the currency information is gonna come from. So if you're playing in standard, I would suggest selecting this option. Otherwise, the current lake is always gonna appear up here. And then if you're connected to path of Excel, well, not path of Excel, but PoE Ladder, you can enable the integration between the SSF version, the standard version. If you have joined the ladder of the Mirage or SSF Mirage, it will also appear in this list. I haven't because I've been playing in a GSF, so only Mirage Warriors is up. And then clicking Fetch Collection is going to load up all of your information up here. And this is basically your personal collection, where you can see what you've owned, what you don't own, all of the items, and yeah. Yep. Then once you enter a blueprint, basically what we do is we press F5. It captures the layout. Keep in mind, playing on this, I would suggest having the UI options such as allies, life flask, and whatnot on top of the screen to not show. Same with as the enemies life bars. I just have them because I like to have them. And then once we enter the Grand Heist final room, you can either wait or run through them with your build. We enter here, we press F2, and we should start seeing matches. Yeah, we have that match over there. It should now capture the trinkets. And if we go to the wing of the stair, yeah, I'm pressing F2 to capture. If you want to capture multiple of the same type, the way to do it is by using the capture snippet, which is F4. So it captures that one as well, and you see all of it is recorded. So to confirm that everything's recorded, we go down here, and as you can see, we've captured the 4 items. There is a 5th item down here. We press F2 to capture it, and it's up here. Now if you take this item, you can click on it right here, and this checkbox here marks it as picked, so it will be picked in the data. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's leave this area right for real quickly. And now when we enter the other area, like for example this one, we basically repeat the steps. So we enter in the tunnels, we press F5 to capture the layout is captured, and after capturing layout, if you have multiple wings, in a single blueprint, You only have to do the capture once, because it will save the rest of the rewards that are captured onto that layout. So if you, for example, are running only tunnel eye level 83s, you don't have to capture layout again. And I'm pressing F2 to capture my screen. Takes a second. We go here. This one is a bit tricky because it has it's on the side, and we can pick that. We pick the salio and leave. It should add a total of 1 to 2 seconds on each grand heist. But with that, I hope this helps your capturing data capturing progression. Oh, and let me show you. So this is how it's going to look. So please ignore all of this. The only important thing is the matches. So if we go down here, these are the latest records that we had. This is the CSV value, and then if we use, let's see, so if we go down here and we use export to JSON, we get the JSON version of the file, which looks a bit different, but it's more friendly for websites, and it packages them neatly, like inside the layout. Each layout and type will be captured together, and it's per person, per league, and so on. So yeah, hope this has been useful, and that's it from me. Happy heisting! Just a quick note, I forgot to mention this in the video. So if we go into a blueprint, I'll speak in the preview, the collections wasn't working correctly. This has been fixed. Now it has the type, the tiers correctly as well. And let's see. Another feature, because on the first initialization, when you fetch the collection, you need to reload the app so it matches it correctly. And let's see, so quickly here, if we go over this, now it will display the tier as well, which is kind of important. I'll take the chaos orbs in this case. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.